Hey friends, happy Thursday, and it is like 1 p.m. It has been and still is a rainy, dreary day. I'm out in the sunroom with Miss Cali. Mr. Jerry's gone to an auction. I've made a big pot of coffee today. Didn't sleep very well at all last night. Well, neither one of us did. But anyways, I've been working on my merry-go-round sweater this morning, my summer top here. And I am almost out of the second skein, and then I will add the third. I am 5.5 inches from the underarm. I need to go to, it said 10.5, but I will probably maybe go that extra ½ inch. I don't know. I'll have to see, hold it up to see where it is. But so I'm halfway done with the body, and then I just have to do 7 rows of the knit 2 purl 2 for the ribbing. So that will be done. And these will be short sleeves again. I knit these for 4 inches. Once I pick up the sleeves, I knit them for 4 inches, and then I do, I think, 7 rows of knit 2 purl 2. So, and then this top will be done, but I'm just getting into the blue on this one right here. I'm really loving this one. Again, if you are new and you haven't seen this, this is the merry-go-round by oh my goodness, it just went out of my head. I'll put it in the top. Merry-go-round by something and kid. And I can't look it up because it's on my phone that I'm recording. Oh, it's been I'm on the verge of a headache from this rainy weather, so and not sleeping well doesn't help. But I'm using the new Cumulus stripes from Juniper Moon Farms, and this is super soft. Just cannot get over how soft this is. I just noticed that. I didn't realize that. So this one is 94% cotton. That is the cotton that is in it. 6% nylon, and it is 100 grams in here, or 251 yards, and it's considered a DK. A number 4 medium is like a DK. And I am using US 8s. The pattern called for US 9s and US 8s. And to get gauge using my needles with this yarn, it ended up being US 8 for what the body and the sleeves are, and the ribbing is US 7. So it is knitting up pretty fast, but this is so pretty. I really am enjoying this. So I've been working on that. I have laundry going this morning, and yeah, it's a slow moving day. And then last night I decided that I wanted to try to do that free pattern from Henny's. I gotta get the picture out here. I was going to do the swatch, and I started to do the swatch, and then I realized that, you know, it's a poncho. So, but anyways, so it is this right here. It is called The Waves of the Pacific. It uses 4 skeins of Zoe by Juniper Moon. And I had decided to go with the green stripe one. I usually don't go for greens, but for some reason I did this one. And this is cotton linen. It's 60% cotton. And it is 40% linen. And it is a number 2 fine. And it is crocheted. And I needed 4 of these. So let me see if I can pull this out. So basically, I started it. Yep, I sure did. I started it. So, it is a really, so far, this is one repeat right here. So, it gives that illusion of the wave, because you got higher up here and then lower here. But, and this self-striping yarn is working up beautiful. But I did do a, where did I put it? Gauge swatch. If I can find it. I'm trying to find it in my bag. So maybe you can see the swatch a little better with the design. So this is like the wave right here. So, yeah, it is not difficult at all if you know how to do single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet, US terms. So, but like I said, I'm using, she recommends the F hook, and I did not want to go down lower, and in fact I did not want to go up one, because I really like the way this one is crocheting up. So but I have to make a front and a back, and once I read the instructions, the shaping of the shoulders is not difficult at all. And you just seam them together at the shoulders, because it is a poncho. And if I don't like that flowy on the sides for it, then I might tack it for where, you know, the sleeves might come down. But because on her it looks like, of course she's got her hands in her pocket, and she's, you know, got it back, you know, pushed back. So, but you can see that it looks like it has sleeves and everything. So, but there is nothing on the instructions that say about the body. It just says finishing, you just seam up the shoulder stitches on both sides, and you can add a picot edge trim around the neck opening and sides of the poncho. So, but it says side seams 2.5 inches, leaving 3.5 inch slits on sides. So she must have connected it somehow. She must have connected it somehow, so. But it's not in the free pattern. I don't know if you could see the picot edging around the neck. If my phone, so, well, you kind of see it on her arm too. So maybe she seamed it that 2.5 inches from the bottom up, so that, and I know you seamed it at the shoulder, and maybe that's what left that opening there. So, yep, I started that. I had no business to do that. My Lanta. No, we're not going backwards. My April sock that I pulled to knit for April, I did work on it when we were in the car the other day, and I'm just not enjoying it. I think it's just the yarn. I don't know, but I'm not going to rip it out because, you know, I am halfway done on the foot, and I know that once I get one done, the second one will go faster. So I'm not too pushy on getting that one done because it's one that it's not, I'm having a hard time doing. So, but other than that, I am going to let you go. I need to get some lunch. I know you're not seeing me because truthfully, I don't know what I look like right now. I am showered. I just, you know, hair's drying and stuff. But anyways, I will let you go. I think I'm going to have a salad for lunch. I've got leftover chicken that I will use. And yeah, go fold some clothes and start up another load of laundry. And then after lunch, work on one of these two. I really should just continue to knit on this so I can get that small bit done, the skein done, and then I can start the third one, and then I can put this away for a little bit. I still have to do my clue 5 for my sew along. I'm just not feeling it today with the way my head feels. So and clue 6 comes out tomorrow, so I don't know, we'll see, because there's not a lot yet to sew. But so anyways, I just thought I would just hop on and say, hey, just a second, and I'll chit chat with y'all later. And I hope that your Thursday is a great one, and that you are having a great day on your weight loss journey, and you're just having a great day in life general. So I will talk to y'all later. You all have a fantastic rest of your week. Talk to you later, my friends. So I am sitting here trying to crochet, and somebody is trying to help me while she stares at her daddy. Right? Right? It makes it very difficult because you like to play with the string. I know. But it is awkward. Does anybody else's animals do this to you?